I'm here at the LA Auto Show. Hyundai has just revealed to the public here in North America the all-new XRT variant of their next generation Santa Fe. Let's get into it. Santa Fe is no longer a soft-looking crossover. It is transformed into an adventure vehicle with hard lines. It's much bigger. Now we have 3 rows of seats in the Santa Fe again, kind of like its cousin, the Sorento. And I love the matte paint color here. It could be a wrap. Look at the topographical map here. Hyundai design in North America. Love the little Easter eggs in here. Design in California. Really, really cool. Flush Hyundai badge here in black. We got the H-style headlight, daytime running lights with the headlights nestled inside of those H brackets. I like the squares that go across, or I guess the rectangles, with that light bar. And it's not just a simple light bar. It looks like a weave, like a basket weave of lights coming through. So I love that attention to detail. And then we also have the H pattern down here that goes across. We have active shutters in here to give air to the turbo 4-cylinder, 277 horsepower, 311 pound-feet of torque, made to an 8-speed dual clutch. Or you can get the 6-speed automatic dual clutch with the 1.6-liter 4-cylinder hybrid that offers around 228 horsepower, if I remember correctly. All right, look at the Santa Fe, small little garnish on the front fender here. Very macho, very muscular with these large octagonal, I don't know if that's the right word, but it would be if it continued on underneath. So it looks like kind of like a big stop sign there, give a big macho look from the front and rear fenders. Now these are smaller 18-inch wheels, but you got 30-inch tires here on the XRT for a little bit more of that off-road. The roof rack up there, you can connect the bikes to, the canoes to, extra storage. And coming up back, we have the XRT decal. And the rear, can we close this? Yeah, we can close this to get a better idea of some of the accessories. I love the ladder here. There's that XRT badge. Everything's blacked out on this XRT, and that H theme is stretched and widened here on the back. And this is one of the more striking things about the Santa Fe is this large liftgate area. When we lifted, I like that exhaust tip. Hyundai always does a great job with their exhaust tips. But look how low the taillights are. That is striking. You know, typically taillights are up here. It's really, really low. Let's open this up. Look at that. The liftgate comes all the way down to there, so you have a much lower load floor. And look at the design details here. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, kind of the H style as well. Underfloor storage, yeah, we got a little bit as well. The jack under there. There's not going to be a lot of cargo capacity if you have passengers in this 3rd row. But of course you can pull down these seats, and they can recline too. And these seats do fold completely flat, and that's one of the things Hyundai wants to advertise this vehicle for, is you can use it as a off-roading utility vehicle, fold the seats down, you can take a nap in here, have a picnic, that sort of thing. But if you do have passengers back here, look at this. You have rear AC control, vents back here, you have 115 volt, 150 watt power adapter, so the kids in the back can charge their devices. And you also have 2nd row control to fold down the 2nd row seats from back here. You don't see that very often. You also have a 12 volt, 180 watt power adapter here. Cup holders, as well as an event there for that side. Getting into the back seat. Not a ton of leg room, but you can move this seat back. So there you go. That will intrude on the rear passenger leg room. And the 3rd row cup holders here. High quality materials even on this XRT grade. And wow, I love this trim. Kind of reminds me of the outgoing Santa Fe, this trim, but they've darkened it so it's not as quite as eye-catching. And that's a good thing. You don't want to be blinded in your peripherals. Again, that H pattern on the hard touch back. The seat's very durable. No vents right here. No vents on the top. So you have vents in the 3rd row, but oh, here we go. There they are. The H-style vents here on the B pillar. Mat pocket on each side. You're able to lift this up actually and access the storage there from the back. Holding this out, more storage there underneath if you need device charging right here on the interior of the seats with some USB-C ports. With the chaos of the LA Auto Show, someone jumped in the front seat, so I wasn't able to show you the front seat. I'll go ahead and put that in B-roll. Hyundai does a great job with the interiors of all their vehicles, and that's no exception here with the all-new Santa Fe. I'll catch you in the next one. There's a a couple more Santa Fe's over there, different trim. Actually, that's another XRT right there, not quite as kitted out. And then we got the, I think that's the calligraphy down there. Calligraphy has changed a lot, hasn't it? But thanks guys for watching. Signing out from the LA Auto Show. Make sure to watch all my reviews and quick walk-arounds. It's really, really quick. It's frantic, it's fun, it's wild. So many cars to cover here. Like the new Forester, like the ZDX, Toyota booth down there. I could keep going. Thank you guys. Catch you the next one.